Oh, here we go on my table again. It definitely needs another coat of whatever. So I'm almost out of that finish, the Osmo stuff, so I'm going to grab my new sander and sand away and see how it looks. That's how it looks right now. It's a bit rough, a little bit of mold on it. I'm going to give it a good sanding and then I'm going to put another coat of Osmo on it. Well, that's about, I don't know, not even 10 minutes work. This thing seems to work pretty good, the sander. I like it. It's not vibrating my hands to death. So you can see the color difference. So this is just plywood, underflooring plywood, 24 millimeter hinoki. I mean, it's great for a table out here. Anyways, I'm just going to carry on and finish this thing up. Okay, there we go, all sanded. Now I just got to go grab the Osmo and put a coat of oil on there. Minutes or so, and the battery pack was not completely charged, but it was near full charge, and I still got 2 bars on the battery. And that's a 6 amp hour, 18 volt Bosch battery. Okay, I'm done. Sorry about any wind noise, can't do anything about it. But yeah, another coat of UV protective Osmo oil on there. Hopefully I won't wait another year before I put it on. But yeah, it looks pretty good, I think. Looks pretty nice from how it was. Anyways, thanks for watching. Just a quickie today. Bye-bye.